Mental health awareness training is crucial to our communities. We're living in a society that we have a lot of people who struggle, and it's important for us to be able to identify those struggles and to have the tools to respond to the people having those struggles, whether it's a family member, it's a friend, a colleague, or just a stranger. The East Bay Regional Coalition has a multitude of mental health trainings, and now we've got one for aging adults and one for teens, and eventually we're looking to do one for parents. So whether it's something that you're experiencing yourself or it's something that you're seeing somebody else experience, I just think being equipped to handle those situations is vital, especially in today's environment. When asked who's a fit for these trainings, everybody's a fit for these trainings. What's really cool about this program is that it's mobile, so we can go anywhere and we come to you. One of the really important things too about mental health awareness is the stigma. What this tries to do is reduce that stigma, and if we can start going out and not being as judgmental and not placing these labels on people who are having struggles, we're going to be a much kinder community.
So the InShape program is a prevention program designed for college-age students to look at their physical fitness and their physical lifestyle compared to also their alcohol consumption, nicotine usage, as well as it looks at their diet and how it all kind of correlates together. The program is a 45-minute informational session, whether it be virtual or in person, where participants will sit down with me, go through an educational piece on why they need to be living a healthy lifestyle. At the end of it, they'll sit down and create a goal plan and kind of evaluate where can they make improvements.
The East Bay Regional Coalition has some great programs for families with teens. One example is the Strengthening Families program. It's an incredible class where we wind up teaching families how to communicate better with their youth and how the youth can actually get what they want out of life. The program is actually offered remotely, so you can actually do it from the comfort of your home. You don't have to come see us. All you have to do is wind up clicking a link. The program was designed for families with youth who are at risk, but what they found is that any family can wind up benefiting from the program. Like all of our programs, Strengthening Families is at no cost to any of the participants. When you wind up joining the class, you wind up clicking a link which will take you right into one of our Zoom sessions. You'll be able to meet other families who are also learning with you. What we wind up doing is we go through a number of exercises. We work on mindfulness, we practice the skills that we wind up learning. We're really trying to form a connection. It's not just a class. All families can struggle sometimes, so what we try to do is create a safe environment where families can come together and we can learn from each other.
To access InShape or register for any of our virtual classes or any of our in-person classes, all you have to do is go to eastbayprevention.org, and from there you'll be able to find a good date and a time that works for you to take the class.